This is my old open center car hauler. I got a couple of sheets of tread plates about the same thickness, 1/8 inch or 11 gauge, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to fill in this center so that I can haul some gravel on it. These are running 48.5 inches wide, and I'm going to cut those pieces 36. So I'm going to have some like 6-inch sides that I might run down just to hold the edges in. Try this again. I didn't have the angle right on the camera the last time. I'm using a GoPro Hero 12 black camera. Got a Colossal Tech inverter plasma cutter. Hooked into a 240 volt supply off an old military generator. My air pressure set on 50. Turn my amperage all the way up on the cutter here. It's reading 54. It actually consumes about 26 amps at that setting. Probably doesn't need to be that high for this 1/8 inch metal, but it doesn't hurt it to be that high, and it cuts nice and clean. So here we go to nothing. Try to hold this up straight. Probably move a little bit faster, but I'd rather have it cut clean than have to deal with the slag.